I'm Anna Helman, and I'm glad you're here today. Do you ever get tired of trying to cut ribbon with scissors that just aren't sharp? Today I have a quick tip to share with you so you can always have a nice sharp pair of scissors and no one is going to take them and use them for purposes besides what you want them used for. Let's take a look. So I guess I should ask, do you have a really good pair of scissors that cuts through ribbon well? I do have a really good pair of scissors that cuts through ribbon well, but I also have this pair right here that used to be really good. And if I do it just so, it will cut ribbon, but if I don't do it just so, it won't cut anything. These have been used by people, not myself, and it took my really good scissors into some that don't really cut very well anymore. Now, I get really frustrated when I'm trying to cut ribbon and it just doesn't cut. And here is what I love. When I go to cut that ribbon, I don't have to hold it a certain way. I don't have to do anything special. The scissors cut right through it and I can get that nice, pretty angle. So what's the difference? These are the same scissors. This pair has been used the right way because I have had it marked ever since I got them that this is my good pair of scissors. Now I received these as a gift. It had this on it, so this is how I have kept it separate. But let's say you don't have something like this to keep on a pair of scissors to keep it separate from your others. Here is what you can do. So easy. Just tie a piece or two of ribbon onto it, and now you know these are your ribbon scissors. And then there's one more key part of this. If you craft with other people or if you live with other people, then if anyone likes to ever come into your craft collection and use your scissors or anything else, the last part of it is you must notify everyone and threaten them that no one uses these scissors besides you. So it's worked for me. I hope it works for you. It is totally worth having a good pair of scissors in your collection. If you want to see, I absolutely love these scissors and I made a video about them a while back. I'll link to it in the video description below if you want to take a look at that. And I hope you have a great pair of scissors because it sure does make paper crafting better. Thanks for watching along for today's quick tip. I hope you have a blessed day and I hope you'll be back again next time when I'll be here helping you to hand make with love.